Hello everyone, welcome to the Baristas Coffee School. आज हामी सिक्छौं tulip art कसरी बनाउँछौं by using 3 steps. So the first step would be the mixing, the second step would be the pouring, and third step would be pulling the dry. Let me explain you how it is done. So the first mixing part would be हाम्रो espresso र milk चाहिँ मजाले mix गर्ने कामहरु गर्छौं. You stop during the pouring. If you are making 3 stacks, you need to pour 3 times. 1, we have got 2, we have got 3. अब नरोकिकन पुल गरेर ड्र्याग गर्ने कामहरु गर्छौं. These are the 3 steps. Let me show you how it is done on espresso. So like I said, what we're going to do is we're going to mix it first ma. मजाले mix गर्ने काम गर्छौं like this. You're going to mix it properly and then we're going to pull it. Pull ma first ma tilt गरेर 1, then we're going to go with 2, we're going to go with 3. You want more pattern 4, more pattern 5, उठाउने and swat तान्ने काम गर्ने. So this is your pull and drag. So this is your tulip pattern. There you go. So this is a very simple tips on how to make a tulip pattern. यसरी नै यदि तपाईहरु अरु कफी आइटम्सहरुको बारेमा सिक्न बरिस्टा ट्रेनिङ लिन चाहनुहुन्छ भने कृपया हाम्रो कन्ट्याक्ट नम्बरमा फोन गर्नु होला. हामी चारवटा लोकेसनमा छौं, दिल्ली बजार, लाजुबाद, भक्तपुर र ललितपुरमा. You can definitely choose the best location for yourself. Alright people, so thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself. See you soon.